Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into the world of flagship smartphones with the Samsung Galaxy S22. This powerhouse device promises cutting-edge performance, a stunning display, and a camera that will capture your life's moments in incredible detail. Let's unpack what makes the S22 such a compelling option. First things first, the S22 boasts a gorgeous 6.1-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. This translates to vibrant colors, deep blacks, and incredible clarity. Perfect for watching your favorite shows, browsing the web, or gaming on the go. And with a smooth 120 Hz refresh rate, everything you do feels incredibly responsive and fluid. Pro-grade camera system. Samsung has always been a leader in mobile camera technology, and the S22 doesn't disappoint. It features a triple-lens rear camera system with a powerful 50-megapixel main sensor, a versatile 10-megapixel telephoto lens for stunning zoom shots, and a 12-megapixel ultra-wide lens to capture expansive landscapes or group photos. Whether you're a casual shutterbug or an aspiring photographer, the S22 empowers you to capture stunning visuals in any lighting condition. Unleash the power within. Under the hood, the S22 packs a serious punch. Depending on your region, you'll get either the Exynos 2200 or the Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Gen 1 processor, both top-of-the-line options that deliver blazing fast performance for multitasking, demanding games, and even video editing. Paired with 8GB of RAM and up to 256GB of storage, the S22 ensures a smooth and lag-free user experience. All-day battery and beyond. We all hate running out of juice in the middle of the day. The S22 tackles this concern with a reliable 3700 mAh battery. While extensive usage may require a top-up, the phone supports 25-watt fast-wired charging and 15-watt wireless charging, getting you back in action quickly. Designed to impress. Designed to impress. The S22 isn't just powerful, it's beautiful. Available in a variety of stunning colors like phantom black, white, pink, gold, and green, there's a shade to match your unique style. Plus, the phone boasts a sleek and durable design with Gorilla Glass Victus Plus on both the front and back for enhanced protection against scratches and drops. Is the S22 right for you? The Samsung Galaxy S22 is a premium smartphone packed with top-tier features. If you're looking for a phone that delivers exceptional performance, stunning visuals, and a camera that captures life's moments in detail, the S22 is definitely a strong contender. However, it comes at a premium price tag, so consider your needs and budget before making a decision. Thanks for joining us today. Let us know in the comments below if you have any questions about the Samsung Galaxy S22, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting tech reviews.